Hey editor, what happens when your edits grab the attention of a 4 million subscriber creator and a $550 a month raise, over $6,000 a year, by the way? For Andrew, it meant seeing his name in front of millions of viewers and clients reaching out to him instead of the other way around. Now, Andrew had been editing full time for nearly 2 years. On paper, he was doing fine. He had a steady client, decent workflow, but he plateaued. He didn't know what to focus on to become more in demand, and without a real strategy, clients never came to him. He was always chasing them. Like most editors, he turned to YouTube tutorials. He quickly found himself drowning in scattered advice. Learn this effect. Try this shortcut. I have this plugin. But none of it solved the real problem. How do you position yourself as the kind of editor people pay top dollar for? And that's when he found Elite Editor Academy. Inside, he got something no YouTube video ever gave him: a system, a step-by-step checklist showing exactly what to do and what not to do to stay in demand and win better jobs. Lessons like the reason why you aren't working with elite clients, or how to double your hourly rate overnight, or even diversifying income. These are just a few of the proven strategies that are inside the program. Almost immediately, Andrew's confidence skyrocketed. For the first time, he had the confidence to raise his rates, pitch his value without hesitation, and stop second-guessing every client interaction. That shift alone led him to charge an extra $550 a month without working longer hours. And when he pitched his value the right way, the channel he was editing for didn't just give him a bonus, they gave him name credit in the description of their videos. Now, his portfolio is visible to millions of viewers. Clients come to him. And here's the kicker. Andrew took the viral raw footage provided in the Academy, applied what he learned, and cut one of Will Tennyson's videos so good that Will himself hired him. And today, he works alongside me, editing with Will's 4 million subscriber channel. That opportunity didn't come from luck. It came from learning the psychology that makes viewers care, clients pay, and editors believe in their own value. Andrew could have stayed stuck for another year, guessing at random tutorials and undercharging for his work. Instead, he invested in himself, gained the confidence to raise his rates, and unlock the next level in a few weeks. If you'd like to stop doubting yourself and start charging what you're worth with the confidence to back it up, join Elite Editor Academy today. Y'all have a good one.